Hi guys, it's Diksha. Welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be a vlog style video. I have started using a few products that I wanted to share with you guys. I have recently developed a lot of new skin problems that I wasn't experiencing before in my life. So one of those has been because of staying up all the night and the party season that was there last month. So we had Christmas, we had New Year's, I had my birthday, and I still have my birthday decorations up. With all this happening, my skin suffered a lot, and I just felt like it's very dry, it's very uneven, and especially my under eyes are dark and they're puffy most of the time. So I recently got introduced to a wonderful cream that I wanted to, an under eye cream that I wanted to share with you guys. And this is an under eye cream by Mamaearth. The biggest reason why I use this is it is completely natural, and it has like cucumber and coffee extracts, which is like amazing for your under eyes. My puffiness has reduced, and yes, my eyes were full of dark circles. Not that they've gone, but I still had a lot of dark circles and had to use a lot of concealer, and a lot of color correction had to be done on my face. So I've been using this from past 10 days, and my dark circles have visibly reduced. That's when I thought that I should share this product with you guys. So now I'll be showing you how I use this.
Before going to bed, I pull myself out and make sure to apply my under eye cream. So the cream that I'm using over here is the Mamaearth Under Eye Cream. This cream consists of coffee, cucumber and white lily extracts. Now talking about how this product fascinates me and how it's so different from the other products, the most important thing is it's absolutely natural, it's toxin free, it helps combat dark circles and puffiness under your eyes. Also, it's dermatologically tested and it's free and devoid of any kind of petroleum, silicones, dyes, etc. Also, this suits any skin type, so you need not have to worry about your skin type. My skin is very sensitive, and this has worked wonderfully in my case.
So it's a night time, and I've just removed my makeup, and my skin feels so fresh. So next thing that I do is apply my under eye cream. The best part about this product is it's very lightweight, so it does not feel like you've applied a lot on your face, but it works miraculously. Applying it is not a rocket science. You just need to take a pea-sized amount and apply it under your eyes. So basically you apply it in this region, and because the skin is really soft as compared to your skin on your body and your face, so be very gentle and apply it right under your brow to right under your eyes like this. So your hands should move like in this direction, and make sure you rub it in the edges, because here is where you get the wrinkles and the edge shows the first. So make sure you rub here and then just apply it smoothly till it completely dissolves into your skin, and then just wait for the magic to happen. Now I hope you guys like this mini review of this wonderful product that I've been using. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till the next time, I love you. Bye.